How to delete your TikTok post. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the post that you want to delete. Further, tap on the three dots you see there, and now in the bottom toolbar, scroll through and you will see the option for delete. Tap on that, and if you have posted the video before 7 days, then you will see the option to delete and re-edit. So tap on the delete and re-edit option if prompted, and if not, then go ahead and simply tap on the delete option you see there, and with this, the post will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your TikTok post. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.